bitch. I'm not playing with you. You got my face.
4-3. She just attempted to hit me.
3 feet.
What? Get out my face. I'm not arrested for nothing. Hold on.
Right by T-Day. They're coming up towards that corner.
What's up?
I'm not playing with you.
What's up?
I'm not playing with you. Drop it. Drop it. What is wrong with you?
What's up? I'm not playing with you. What's up?
I am not playing with you.
You do a post on me,
You better drop that.
No, I'm not.
You alright?
Yo, Pops, come down here.
What happened?
She was supposed to give my Uber Eats. Look, it says delivered. You know how Uber Eats works?
Yeah.
I'll look down the hall for me. She says I need to confirm the Uber Eats on the phone. I don't need to do that. It said my order's here. Enjoy your order.
No, I have to make my report. You tried to attack me, faggot.
I did not try to attack you. You don't gotta say stuff like that.
Just tried to attack
Walk in the lobby.
4625
I have someone else coming. They'll come talk to her. Just walk up the stairs over there for now.
I'm at Park City, New Jersey. Some boy just tried to attack me over a meal, over a $50 meal.
How you doing, man? I'm Officer Marquez. On my camera's on, okay?
I am at
Excuse me.
4625 Park Ave, Union City. Yes, doing my job, and somebody just tried to attack me.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Jalo Russ. J-A-H-L-I-L. My last name is Russ. R-U-S-T.
Ma'am. I'm Officer Marquez. What you call this, please?
Okay.
What's going on?
What's up? I'm here to do a delivery.
Okay.
The internet's not working. I asked him if he had Wi-Fi. He said no. I walked back outside to connect to the Wi-Fi. I connected to the Wi-Fi. I went back inside. He met me in the hallway. He's trying to attack me.
How you trying to attack you? How?
He's trying to snatch the bag. And he's just swinging his hand like this. I don't know what he's doing.
197. Go ahead.
Come on, give me my food. I don't know why he's doing that. And I'm walking back down to the room.
Go for 197.
I'm already walking back down. I'm walking down.
Are you with the police driver? That's affirmative. Alright,
Right, I need the police.
I'm the police right here. I'm the police
I
right
need the
here.
police that I called for this delivery.
I'm right here,
Hello?
ma'am. I'm the cops right here. I'm the
Okay,
police.
that's fine.
Okay. So what happened to the Uber Eats delivery? Can I see the delivery, ma'am? Ma'am.
No, the problem is that you met me in the hallway.
Listen.
You're not.
Listen. Stop talking to me. Talk to me. All right. Can I see
No.
the delivery?
No.
Let me show
This
them.
is what I'm telling you. This is what I'm telling you.
Ma'am.
This is what I'm telling you.
Ma'am, can I see the delivery, please?
No, you cannot. This is what I'm telling you.
I cannot. I'm trying to figure this out.
Okay, I work for Uber.
Okay.
No, you cannot.
I work for Sea August Police.
Okay.
All right. I'm trying to figure this out.
Okay.
That's his order, right?
Okay. No, this is not
Did
his
you pay
order.
for it? Okay.
Back up from me.
All right.
Back up from me.
All right.
You know this now. I'll beat you dead out.
Enough.
Do not play with me.
Enough.
I'll beat you dead out.
Enough.
Get out of my face.
Stop talking.
I know, but I'm gonna have to stop talking.
Relax.
It is enough.
Relax.
And I'm not playing with you.
Relax.
I'm not playing with
I'm trying
you.
to figure this out,
This is
okay?
my last time playing with you, okay?
Okay.
Any other time it's gonna be that. Here you go.
This is his order?
Yeah, here you go.
All right.
Do not
So
run up on me, you
Shut up.
fake pumping with me. I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. Get out my way.
Listen, you have ID on you?
Get out my way.
You have
All
ID
that
on you?
fake faggot shit.
Listen.
Get out my way.
Hey, ma'am. 197. Yeah. All right, be advised. Uber Eats driver gave me his delivery and took off on her bike.
Back up from me, bitch. I'm not playing with you. You got my face.
4-3. She just attempted to hit me.
3 feet.
What? Get out my face. I'm not arrested for nothing. Hold on.
Right by T-Day. They're coming up towards that corner.
What's up?
I'm not playing with you.
What's up?
I'm not playing with you. Drop it. Drop it. What is wrong with you?
gonna get your.
You better drop that.
No, I don't. You a person.
I am not playing with you.
I don't give a fuck. Bye. 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 Bye.
You are now under arrest.
Bye.
You're not
Bye.
going anywhere.
Bye. 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 Get out of my
I
way.
am not playing with you.
Get out of my way.
You need to drop it.
No.
Drop
Get out of
it.
my way. Get out of 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 my way. Get out. Get out. Get out of my way.
Let's go. What are you doing?
Get the off of me.
Wait, leave me back.
Get your off of me. What is you doing? Get your off of me. Get off of me.
Dude, this is an easy one. Stop. I
Get
am
off
not
of
playing
me.
with you.
I'm not letting you off of me.
Chili Bank right now.
No, I'm not. Get off of me.
She hit me.
Yeah, get off of me. Get him off of me. No, get him off of me. Get him off of me. No, get him off of me. Get him off of me.
Listen, relax.
I am relaxed. Get him off of me. This is the officer that was on the scene. Get him off of me.
Relax.
Get him off of me.
Relax.
Get him off of me.
Call EMS for me.
Get him off of me.
Grab the right one. Let Jesus get out of there.
No, I'm not going to wear nothing. Get him off of
Grab
me.
this arm.
No, get him off of me.
This arm right here.
No, this is the officer who needs to get him off my neck.
I got you. Look, that.
Nah. But get off of me. Get off of me.
21, we're going to be clear for one, bro. You want to set over there?
Sorry, you want me?
So I'm just going to stab you up. Why should I get your name? I'm not going to stab you up.
I mean, a double lock.
No, I ain't no double lock. I'm not playing.
Hold on.
No, I'm not listening to nothing.
Yo, Jesus, I got it. Relax. Make sure he's okay. He's bleeding.
No, I'm not listening to nothing.
36. We got one under assault on the LEO. She threw the bike lock at Jesus. He's bleeding from his ear. Get EMS for him, please.
Unfortunately, we have him on the way now. 40, yours too? 40, they're out. What's the call, baby?
Yeah, we both go
They're in the TD. They're in the TD bag.
Double lockers.
We both go sue you.
Ma'am, what's your name?
We both go sue you.
What's your name?
We both go sue you.
What is your name? Hey, please.
We both go sue you.
Please.
What's your color?
Hold on, I gotta get this one. I gotta flip this. It's fine.
We both go sue you.
You?
Yeah, we both gonna sue you, faggot. It don't matter to me. Bye.
Dude, I get in it. Yeah. But like, she's at TD. I'm like, go can use the bike. I get in there. He's like, she hit me. He's like, no, relax. Toss the bike lock on him, so I tackled her. And he's just gushing from his ear.
Oh, she hit him with the bike lock?
Yeah. She fucking cracked him in the head, bro.
No, I'm gonna stab you in the face.
What's your name? I'm also here with the Seagull's Police Department. What's
Yeah, my name is Jalo Russ. I'm doing an Uber delivery.
Okay, what
Somebody tried to attack me in the hallway.
What happened though? That's what we tried.
Nothing happened for nobody to be chasing me down talking about I'm under arrest. Nothing happened.
We were trying to talk to you.
No, he talking about nothing.
Did you throw a bike lock on my partner's head? He's gushing from his.
I don't care.
All right.
It's not a game to me.
Yeah,
I don't care.
Sorry,
And I'm taking every last cent.
Listen, what was your first name?
Yeah, okay. Jalo is my first name.
I
Yep.
got you. I'm also here with the Seagull's Police
That's
Department.
fine. That's fine.
You need EMS, John?
Yes, I do.
All right, what's your complaint to
I do.
pain? Are you hurting somewhere?
Yeah, I'm hurting on my leg, my arm, all that. My back, my head, yeah.
So legs and arms are hurting. So you want medical attention?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Yes, I do. I'm not playing. I'm not playing.
She wants medical attention too.
What she happened? She threw the bike lock at him?
She threw the bike lock. Well, she hit him with it.
Him.
So I got in there. She cocked back through it, missed it. I tackled her, but Jesus is gushing from his ears. Huh? Bike lock inside. He's with Kuntz. I told Kuntz to take care of him. We got her outside.